Welcome back to the channel. My family and I are always looking for ways to be better organized. Clutter seems to accumulate over time, and we really just want to be able to find what we're looking for and just without seeing all of our stuff spread out everywhere. I have some attractive new storage baskets that should help us get better organized. These collapsible storage baskets are from Wiselife. They come in packs of 3. Now here I have the 2 color combinations, the beige and the gray, and then the black and the gray. And these neutral colors really fit with any type of decor. These can be used to store and organize so many different items around your house and are also great for dorm rooms. So these baskets have cotton rope handles that can be used for carrying items all around your house, especially if you need to move stuff frequently. They have a soft muslin lining, and the finished stitches give it such a clean look. These measure 15 by 11 and are about 9.5 inches high. Here is what they look like collapsed. I'm using my black and gray one. And as you can see, you just pull up the sides, flatten it out a little bit. Now the wrinkles do come out with time, so don't be afraid of that. Here's it up, and then of course when you're done or you don't need to use it anymore, you can just push it back down. But I really do like the fact that these are collapsible and they seem to have sturdy handles as well, because I tend to do a lot when I'm moving stuff in and out of my dorm, and sometimes I'm stuck with just carrying things left and right. And so these would be a great addition to have in general. Alright, so here's a closer look at the handle. It's nicely braided, so you're not going to have to worry about it breaking or fraying apart. These are large and long. There's a lot of room in them. You can use them in maybe your closet if you need some more space as well to separate clothing and accessories. They can be used for toys. Kids have to have some toys handy in almost every room that they're in, but it's not always desirable to have multiple toy chests or piles of toys on the floor. Even if you keep toys in one place, these help organize and separate the different toys. So here we have all the toys for the living room, just out and about in this nice basket here, rather than being in a pile on the floor or in a bag. Nicely able to put them away. They can be used in closets or under your bed if you have enough space there. It's a good way to separate your clothes and accessories, so they're easy to access. They have a clean look that makes them suitable to have visible on shelving units and under benches. You can also use your imagination to find ways to use these storage baskets in other places as well. Alright, so that's a look at the Wiselife storage baskets. Please make sure you check the description section below for more information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.